Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be replacing the starter on my Mercedes-Benz SLK230. Thanks for joining me. If you saw last week's video, you know that I was having a little trouble out in Nebraska with this car, but I did make it back. And so now today I do have the starter that I ordered. It came in actually pretty quick, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that. So the first thing I need to do is I actually need to reposition the car so I can get the jack under the driver's side. I'll have to disconnect the battery and then go ahead and get that old starter out of there. So let's go ahead and get started. So with the car repositioned, I'll go ahead and open up the hood. And there's the battery. I just need to disconnect the ground. All right. So with the ground off of the battery, now we can go ahead and work on that starter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jack up the car. Okay, so I've got the car jacked up, put some jack stands under it to make sure it stays up securely. Now I can get underneath it and get that starter out.
Well, there you go. There is the starter. I don't think I can get my hand and the camera in the same spot here, but you see there's a couple of bolts there. And then the wires. So just got to get that unbolted and drop that out.
So Joel came over to help out with the starter so I could film this.
There we go. Alright, so that's the original that just came out. And then this is the new Bosch. And go ahead and get that installed. And the new one's going in. I just got to hook up the wires and get it bolted in. Just a wee bit so we can slide those. All right. Very. You what? I have very little room. Oh, I know. It sucks. All right. I think. Yep. I'm not up high enough. You clear? I'm not up high enough. Yeah, I'm clear. Jeez, what are you doing? Those are so nice. Alright. Slowly lower. Careful. Well, I twist very slow. I do as well. Okay, starting to come down. All right, you just gotta hook the battery back up. Oh, you know what I didn't bring out with me is the keys for this. Really? All right, moment of truth.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.